Moving on, email query next we have Sanchit Laktakia. He wants to know if the builder can charge service tax on under construction property. Now the builder is charging him service tax on the property purchased 3.5 years earlier. Possession of this was due in 2017. Two disbursements are to be paid. 1.5 lakh rupees as service tax has already been paid. Total value of the flat is 37.49 lakh rupees including the service tax. What is he liable to pay that service tax?
Yes, absolutely he is liable to pay. The current rate is 4.5% regardless of what is the size of the flat and what is the value of the flat. So on these installments, you will have to pay 4.5%.
Right, so you will have to pay that 4.5% service tax. And also just to make it a little more simpler, Vinay, we get this query a lot of times. We have people writing in and asking that, my developer is asking me to pay service tax on every installment that I pay him, or VAT on every installment that I pay him, TDS on every installment. Could you just break that down for us?
Well, yes, as far as the service tax is concerned, whenever you are making a payment to him, there will be a collection of service tax by the builder from you, and which you will have to pay. At the same time, VAT also is payable. So 1% of the VAT amount will be collected from you. The third thing is that you have to deduct TDS every time you make payment to him, provided you meet the criteria, which is your property value is not agricultural and the value is more than 50 lakhs. In which case you have to deduct 1% whenever you make a payment to the builder and deposit the amount.
Right, so very, very important thing to remember if you're buying under construction property, not only do you have to prepare yourself to pay the installments to the developer, what you also need to consider is that alongside these installments, you also need to pay service tax, you need to pay VAT, and you need to pay TDS on every installment that you're paying the developer. So you need to be prepared to shell out that amount of money.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.